Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into standard mortgage account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.standmore.com. After you come across this official page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then click on Make a Payment option. Here, click on Log on to your account button. Now, in this login portal, you'll have to enter your username associated with your account and your valid password. If you do not remember your username or password, then you can click on Forgot Username and Forgot Password links respectively. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Register link to make one. After entering your details, click on the Login button to proceed. And that is how you can sign into standard mortgage account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.